Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are unboxing something that's a must-have for anyone constantly on the go, a powerhouse in a pocket. The pTron Dynamo Surge 20,000 mAh power bank. Let's dive in and see what makes this power bank worth your attention. So here it is, the pTron Dynamo Surge right off the bat. The packaging looks sleek and compact. At the front we have the power image and key specs highlighted, like the massive 20,000 mAh battery, dual USB-A output, Type-C input output, and support for fast charging. It also claims to have high density lithium polymer battery. Excited to check it out. At the back we get some more details including the power rating, dimensions, safety features like short circuit protection. Let's crack it open. Let's see what we have got inside the box. First up, we have the power bank itself, neatly wrapped in protective plastic. We'll check it out in details in a second. Next, there is the Type-C to USB cable for charging, and there is a warranty information on the package, as you can see. So the power bank is simple and clean, exactly what we need. Now let's take a closer look at the power bank. The build feels solid and premium with a matte black finish that is fingerprints. It's not too heavy considering the 20,000 mAh capacity, perfect for slipping into your backpack. As we can see, we have two USB-A output ports here capable of delivery up to 22 watts. Then there's the Type-C port which serves as both an input and output, offering up to 22 for faster charging. This power bank also supports PD charge up to 20 watts. Pressing the power button lights up these LED indicators which show the remaining battery percentage, a nice touch to keep track of the charge level. Okay guys, let's quickly test it out. I have got my wireless mouse here and plug it in. There we go, the charging starts instantly, and with 20,000 mAh this beast can easily charge most smartphones 3 to 4 times or even power up a tablet. So guys, that's the pTron Dynamo Surge 20,000 mAh power bank. It's sleek, powerful and super functional, all at an affordable price. Whether you are traveling, commuting or just need a reliable backup for your devices, this power bank has you covered. If you are looking to grab one for yourself, I will drop the link in the description below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews and unboxing. Until the next time, stay powered up.